Today I have 7 summer perfumes for you, so let's dive in. Hey there, Emmie here. I'm a perfume and beauty lover. Today I'm gonna share 7 of my favorite perfumes this season. I only have 2 designer perfumes. The rest are affordable Arab or basically just affordable perfumes. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with Lattafa Passion. This is a beautiful scent and I'm gonna make sure I have the notes for you somewhere in here. It has passion fruit, it has vanilla. It sounds like it's gonna be a little thicker with the tonka bean, but it's actually not thick at all. A lot of people say that it smells like a smoothie, but my brain associates smoothies with milk, and since it has no milk and I don't smell anything milky, my brain cannot do that. I would imagine this as biting into a fruit and then there's the bursts of the juice of the fruit coming out. So it's like biting into a mango or passion fruit, but it's just very sweet, very fruity, very summery. I would say it's bright and also kind of flirty. So if you're looking for that, I would definitely pick this one. And for the longevity, I would not give it more than 6 hours. I think on my skin it lasts 6 hours, if not a little bit less, so you have to reapply. Second one is an Lattafa Coral. This is another one from the same line. So when I first got this, I didn't like it because I was expecting it to smell more like passion. I was expecting more of a fresh and juicy and very summery perfume, which this is a summer perfume. However, it is sweeter, much more sugary. It just brings me down the memory lane when I was a child and I had those lollipops and they would get sticky on your hand. That's what I imagined. This smells more like a beautiful fresh lollipop, but it's kind of sticky. There's a lot of sugar in it. I believe the amber is giving it that stickiness. Had it not had amber, it would have been more fresh, at least in my opinion. But this is a beautiful scent. It's just a little more, it's leaning towards sexy sweet rather than freshly bitten fruit sweet. So if you see watermelon and peach, you would expect it to be fruitier and juicier and fresher. I think the word I'm looking for is fresh, which this is fruity and it's juicy, but it's not really like a fresh scent. It's more sweet, sexy scent. Longevity wise, 4 hours max. Really, I would give this 4 hours max. I don't think it lasts long on the skin. It kind of dissipates fast, so you have to reapply this quite often. Next is my favorite summer perfume. This is my second bottle. I don't know how to explain this, but imagine you're on holiday and you've gone for a swim and you need to reapply your tanning lotion, and it has that Monoi oil type of vibe. That's just what it smells like. I don't think it smells like anything else other than that, and it just smells like summer in a bottle. It reminds me of summer, and I could smell this in winter and then just I'm on vacation. This has vanilla, Monoi oil, gardenia, and tiare flower. I don't know what that flower really is, but it could be the flower of Monoi because it looks the same, really. So this just smells gorgeous. It smells like summer. I love it so much. Longevity wise, you will still smell like this at the end of the day. You will smell like a summer vacation at the end of the day. You will smell like you just reapplied your tanning lotion. And I think I'm mostly just really in love with Monoi overall. It smells really good and beautiful perfume. Our next perfume is L'Imperatrice by Dolce & Gabbana. This is such a beautiful perfume. A friend of mine a few years ago actually had this perfume. I was with her and she sprayed it and I fell in love with it since. It's a beautiful fresh perfume. It smells very fruity, floral, but more so fruity. I know it has smoke notes here, say smoke, woody notes, musk, and then middle notes are like floral notes, and then we have top notes as watermelon and strawberry. But I only imagine a summer day, you're in a garden, I don't know, you're in your backyard, and then you have guests and you serve fresh watermelon strawberry cocktail. You serve something of that sort. That's what this smells like to me. It's just gorgeous, very fruity, very feminine, very clean girl-esque, and it's, for me at least, it's worth every penny. It does say that it's limited edition, but if you can find it and get your hands on it, it's very much worth it. Elysia, Pista, Sundae by Fragrance World. This, I thought it would smell more like the original by Kayali. However, this is more summery and fresh rather than, because the Kayali for me smells more like a date night perfume. It's thick, not really date night, but nighttime perfume. It's thicker, it's richer, you smell a lot more of the pistachio than you do. This one just smells kind of nutty, but it doesn't smell like roasted pistachios to me, unlike the Kayali perfume. If you bake, you probably know this, but we have pistachio flavoring that you can buy at the store, and then I imagine that this smells more like a pistachio flavoring thingy bottle or whatever, that you poured it into freshly whipped cream, but it's really cold because you left it in the freezer. Usually when you want really cold cream, you put the carton into the freezer for 30 minutes or something, and then take it out and then you whip it. It smells cold and fresh and like cake-like, dessert-like, sweeter, fresher, but less thick. It's perfect for the daytime. You don't have to worry about choking someone, and just an airy daytime gourmand. I love it. Regarding the performance or the longevity, I think I would give it 5-ish hours, maybe 6. You might have to reapply around the 5th hour if you still want to smell like this perfume. It's just, again, it's much lighter, but you will still smell it. If you sniff your wrist, you'll smell a sweet vanilla, but you're not gonna smell the creamy pistachio that you might want to smell, so you might have to reapply. Another perfume from Fragrance World, this is Intense Peach, and I've had this for 2 years, and every time I'm looking for a peachy summer, maybe even winter. I actually use this in winter. I feel like summer perfumes can be worn in winter, but winter perfumes can't be worn in summer, so there's just... Anyways, this perfume has, well, it has a lot of notes, so I'm gonna say a few. Peach, cardamom, blood orange, rum, cognac, jasmine, vanilla, sandalwood, and so on. This, let me just give you my description. This smells like you sliced a peach in half, you sprinkled sugar onto a pan, because this is more of a gourmand for me. You sprinkled sugar onto the pan, caramelized peach kind of vibe, and you let it caramelize, and then you took that, I don't know how they make incense, but you took that and then you turned it into incense. That's what this smells like. And I actually pair this with the Victoria's Secret White Mango Peach something. It's a body spray. I'm gonna make sure I leave it here for you, but it's a delicious peach. Longevity wise, this will last you all day. I could spray this early in the morning and I would still smell it at the end of the day. It's gorgeous. And if you're looking for something a little bit thicker and a little bit warmer for summer, this might just be your pick. If you're into peaches, of course. This is my favorite perfume. I could eat this bottle. I'm such an emotional person. Whenever I smell it, it kind of, I don't know, it moves something in me. I don't know why, but I feel tears forming in my eyes every time I smell this. Let's see, notes, base notes, vanilla, I don't know what, labdanum, I don't know what that is. Solar notes, frangipani. So frangipani, I get it. It's a flower. But anyways, lemon, bitter orange, passion fruit, it's a gorgeous perfume. It's one of the most feminine and tropical perfumes that I've ever owned, and I'm so glad I got it, because I smelled it once and I've wanted it ever since, and as soon as I found this little bottle, I got it. And I'm so glad they came out with this perfume because it's gorgeous, it's exotic, it's literally beautiful from the first sniff. And what really surprised me, not really surprised, but what surprised me was the dry down. After a long day of wearing this, of course you stop smelling the passion fruit and you stop smelling whatever, but you smell the most beautiful creamy vanilla, and just, it makes you want to keep sniffing your wrist. I love it. I don't care what anyone says. I know that a lot of people don't like this perfume. Some people say it smells like body odor, but I don't think so. I think it smells gorgeous. I think it smells beautiful. I will cherish this until the day I die. I love it. This is feminine, exotic, elegant, really very girly, very beautiful. And longevity wise, I would give it 7-ish hours. I think it lasts a long time. You still smell, if you spray it on your clothes, you will still smell the fruitiness of it, really, but on your wrist it will go down to a vanilla perfume. Those are my perfumes for this season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to know what you think about this perfume if you own it, because a lot of people don't like it and I would like to know what you think. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!